As the application scenarios of algorithms become more and more extensive, various algorithm recommendations and algorithm models increasingly affect our decision-making. In addition, the problems of algorithm bias and algorithm discrimination are regularly exposed. Therefore, there is a fear that discrimination in gender, race, age, and so on, which will also spill over into artificial intelligence and other technology, or even replicate in the bias and injustice of reality into technology. This slide will discuss gender bias in algorithms with examples and explanation of terms and give some solutions.
Bias mainly refers to the content that algorithm designers embed their own biases, social conventions, and cultural differences in their algorithms when programming.
So, what is algorithmic bias? Algorithmic bias mainly refers to the content that algorithm designers added their own bias and social conventions and cultural differences in their algorithms when they were programming. In fact, those concerns have also become true to some extent in the content of ad pushing, where scholars such as Amit Datta, who studied the relationship between the gender of job seekers and job ad pushing. As you can see in the picture, on the left is the ad received by woman and on the right is the ad received by male. In picture A, female received a secretary job ad, while the B picture shows a truck driver ad received by male. In addition, the same job requires higher qualifications for women. In addition, when it comes to actual pay in the workplace, men tend to earn more than women under algorithmic for the same position. American scholar Cook have analyzed the earning of millions of Uber drivers with surprising results. As you can see, in a gender-neutral job, men and women do the same job, but men earn average 7% more hours than women. And then sexism in algorithm is what I would call the elephant in the room, because it's real and obvious, but often ignored or refused to be talked about or fixed. Gender bias and sexism, for example, are real in every aspect of internet use, but people avoid talking about them under the guise of machine and the algorithms are emotionless. However, it exposes the inequality between men and women. To explain it, IBM created a more inclusive database called Diversity in Face, short in DIF, to better analyze the limitation of artificial intelligence and algorithmic bias. The IBM team claimed their work was to increase the reliability of facial recognition, but the classification methods used in progress further expose the impact of algorithm bias on users. Even the race of biological data such as race and gender is understood as a political and cultural construct. So, what can humans do? In this regard, on the one hand, it is necessary to improve the gender society in the technical coding and change the situation of the internet and artificial intelligence industry by men. On the other hand, it is necessary to eliminate and prevent discrimination in the field of algorithms and artificial intelligence from multi-realistic perspective, such as technology, ethics, and law, from social awareness to technical and humanistic level. Through human intervention, prevention, and correction, we can improve the transparency of algorithms, eliminate the unfair phenomena, discriminatory or bias effects in the application of algorithms, and achieve equal opportunities for all genders and contribute to the human rights development of gender. Overall, if sexism in algorithm is not corrected soon, it will further increase the digital gender divide in the future and amplify the inequality between men and women in society. That's all. Thank you for watching.